Hello, my name is Kev from dataSights, and here is a quick whip around multiple ways to, let's say, explore, use, leverage, interrogate your account transactions from your multiple Xero entity setup. Now, very quickly, account transactions don't actually come as you see them or expect them via the API. We take the journals and journal lines and we join them to about 12 other tables, and then we cache that and we present it in a view, i.e. a consolidated table, all your entities, full history, in the same structure, format, language that you expect. Therefore, you actually can get stuck into working with the data right off the bat. So in that note, account transactions here, this isn't to export. Please never export. Life's too short to export CSVs. This is meant as a quick way to search for a particular transaction or a company name or something along those lines, and just do some spot checks essentially, or something along those lines. I'm sure you'll get the gist, but we don't want you running reports in here and then trying to export to Xero Power BI. That's not the intention of it here. If you do want to use it in an Excel, obviously, more than likely you do, follow these instructions here, Excel Power Query, right? Once you follow these instructions, and if you need any assistance at any stage, just give us a shout. We're definitely here to help. From the data tab, you're going to pull down the Xero account transactions master view. That's the only one you need to care about. And when you click refresh, you'll get all your data coming down here. Look, there's a few ID columns, which is kind of essential for some more complicated things. But on the whole, you get all your tracking categories, all your entities, full history, and then you, and very importantly, get to use Power Query to filter the data. So if you have like a cash flow specific spreadsheet or a management reporting one, whatever the case may be, you can do the last 24 months, or you can filter to account type bank for cash, or whatever the case may be. So please explore and use that. And of course, when you pull this into Power BI, exactly the same. Why? Because Power BI actually stole the way to connect from Excel. And that's true of any tool. Google Looker, all the rest of it, it's an Azure SQL database. It's a SQL Server database. And then finally, the serious unlock is AI Connect. So whether you're, it doesn't matter which AI tool you're using, we've put a lot of effort into describing the data to the AI tools. So when the AI tools take your question and convert it to a query and we execute that query, you get back very accurate results very quickly, relatively speaking. And more importantly, you use far less tokens. So you can then fairly with one prompt, and we've got a skill for this if you want. You don't have to use Claude, but at this stage, April, May 2026, it's by far and away the best. You can build a query center with whatever you want, really, but especially focusing on more transactions related things. This will be using the Xero account transactions master view under the hood as well. Okay, I think that's probably enough. As always, any questions, anytime, just let us know. We are always raring to hop on any queries and help out as efficiently and effectively as possible. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Bye.